Good morning, viewers. So I'm going to talk about a failure I have with the GoodWe inverter, the 3000 TDS, or it's called the DNS series from GoodWe, which in the morning gives an error or a message that it's in waiting mode. So it won't start up, even if the sun is blasting at your panels already. It stays in waiting mode. So I asked a question at the GoodWe help desk, but they didn't come up with a solution. They said something about the low voltage of the startup, the power, that it was too low, but the sun was already blasting on the panel. So and every time I have to switch off the main switch, which is underneath, I put it off and on again, and then immediately the power, which is now not much, 220 watts or something about that, because it's a rainy, cloudy day outside, so there's not much sun shining, or even none at all. But when I turn it on again, it immediately goes to 1200, 1300 watt of power output, but it won't start automatically and stays in the waiting mode settings. So what did I do to solve them? Because the help desk didn't come up with a solution, and the problem is known for other inverters, but not with this type. So I couldn't find anything on the internet what could solve the problem. With other types, you have to put in a connector with a bridge in here, but this one is different with the models you can find on the internet with the same problem, also the waiting mode. But what I did was, in the settings, you go in the settings and scroll through it until you come to set start timer or something like that, or even so go to this setting. It's the last one on in the menu. Hold the button. It changed to the time. The default setting is 0 hours. In my case, I changed it to 7 o'clock in the morning, and the moment I change this, every morning the inverter will start up normally and start working. If I leave it on the default setting, like 0 hours, it keeps standing in status waiting mode, blah de blah, and won't start up. Now it already switched back to the normal setting. If you don't push anything, it goes back automatically, and this is the problem is solved in my case.